I want to talk to you about loving yourself and doing the detox. Okay, now I know one of the biggest problems people have is social pressure. When they go out, they have to eat the so-called wrong foods. But you need to love yourself. You need to give yourself the love you deserve. Okay, because when you go on a 100% fruit diet, you're going to lift yourself spiritually. Okay? It comes with the territory. High fruit diet, high spirituality. And this is an opportunity for you to find new friends, to hang around different people who have the same thoughts. And this could be hanging around the same people online, okay? You just have to leave the rut you're in and get yourself out of a situation that's causing you these pain and health issues. You want to go 100% fruits and you want to use the herbs. The herbs are an investment. I don't think they're expensive at all. If you go on herbs and fruits for 2 weeks, you will see the power of the fruits and the herbs. And no amount of money is worth the benefits you get. Okay, so try it, give yourself some love, change friends for temporarily at least, get better, get healthier, and you see you're going to love yourself more, and in return you're going to love others more, and it's a nice vicious cycle of happiness and health. Okay, so do it because you deserve it right now.